In this video, I will show you how you can invite your friends and make money from that on Robinhood. To do this, simply going to open up the Robinhood app or website and head over to your profile section. From there, click on the three lines in the top left, and here what you want to do is go to rewards. From within rewards, you can see get up to $1,500 of stock a year when you invite friends to Robinhood. Going to click on invite friends, and then from here, invite a friend, get between $5 and $200 of stock. So if you're wondering how it works, you just invite them with your referral link, then when they sign up and meet certain criteria, you will get $5 to $200 of stock in a leading company. So just going to click invite contacts or share link in the bottom, for example, do share link, and from there you can then go and copy the link or share it on a specific app. So now you know how to invite your friends on Robinhood and how you can actually make money from that. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.